So what happens when your phone is on the do not disturb mode? So let me explain it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So as you can see, I have an iPhone in here as well as the Androids, but if we start with the iPhone, if I go to the settings and find the focus mode right here, one of the options, the first one is called do not disturb mode. And you can see that if I go to control center, I can enable it like this. So now it is turned on and you are wondering what exactly happens. And the point is that you get to manage it inside of the settings and see what can be done, right? So on the iPhone, again, part of the focus, we have the do not disturb, and we can decide what exactly that means. So I can tap on the people in here and I can decide that while do not disturb is enabled, I can silence notifications from the person I select, or I can allow notification only from the person I select. I can also allow calls from my favorites or contacts only or whatever else I want, right? So you just kind of have to set it up as you want. The same thing goes for apps. So you can also allow notifications from some apps or silence only specific apps. And you can go further, right? You can set up the scheduling and set up even a different lock screen or home screen for the do not disturb and so on. So that's how you get to set it up, right? So you get to control literally everything about it. And the same thing works, or it kind of works similarly on the Androids as well. Like you, of course, have the ability to set it up too, but you can mostly connect it to a mode. So if you go to the settings and find modes and routines, let's say I'm going to pick the work mode, right? And in here, you get to decide that when I enable the work mode, the do not disturb mode is going to be turned on, right? So as you can see, it means that the calls and messages are not allowed, but I can as well change it in here. So I can decide that I can get calls from favorites only, or allow messages from favorites only, or from select people. So you kind of have to manage it, and you basically decide what happens when the phone is on a do not disturb mode. But basically, it just means that you are supposed to limit the incoming calls, notifications, emails, and so on. But at the end of the day, you have the full control over it. So let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you in the future uploads as well.